Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that for the last 2 days, market has been really very boring. Market is trading inside a range. Not much changes, and on the daily chart also, we can clearly see that market is forming spinning tops. You can see the market is forming spinning tops. Spinning tops signify indecision in the market. So spinning tops signify that buyers and sellers are self-fighting, or there's a fight going on between the buyers and sellers. So we do not have any clarity on the direction of the market right now. If we look at the overall trend, then obviously there is no doubt that gold is bullish because overall trend of the market is bullish. Gold is fundamentally bullish. But if you're a day trader, then obviously things have been really boring or frustrating for you right now, isn't it? But yes, we need to keep in mind that today is Friday. Yeah, today is Friday, and not only a normal Friday, today is also the last trading day of the month. So last trading day of the month means that there is a possibility that in the US session we may see some strong, intense profit booking in the market. If you have been trading for a couple of months or years, then you must know that when the market closes, just before the market closing, we sometimes see heavy moves because traders around the world prefer to book their profits. So today, there is a possibility that though we do not have any major events, but there is a possibility that we may see some strong moves in our market. So if you're planning to trade today, then you must be very careful. And before I proceed, I have an announcement to make that, my dear friends, I will be traveling for the next couple of weeks, actually for more than a month. So my videos may not be regular from next week onwards, or the timing may be different because at first I'm going to Dubai, then I'm going to Singapore, Malaysia, that side, so the time zones will be different. So my videos may not be regular. Anyways, let's discuss about gold. The range of gold is still the same. We have 5250 at the top and 5100 at the bottom. So if market goes up during the day, we can look for a sell position around 5250, 5245 area, because there is a possibility that market may remain choppy and the sellers around 524550 will push the market down, at least temporarily. So as a day trader, at least we can expect one red candle around this particular level. So if market shows price action from above, we can look for a sell position. And if the market remains slow like this, as we can see that there is not much volume in the market, so if market remains like this, as a day trader, you can also look for some selling opportunity around 5217. So if market shows price action from above here, as a day trader, you can also look for some selling opportunity around this particular zone as well. In comparison, 5250 is a much better, stronger level, but we are day traders, sometimes we get impatient, so we can also look for a sell position around 5217 as well. So these are the two selling opportunities if market goes up. So overall the trend of the market may be bullish, but at this moment we can see the market is trading in a range, so we are looking for sell opportunities. Otherwise, we are strong followers of trend of the market. And if market drops, we can look for a buy around 5142 to 37. This is one level where you can look for a buy position because of previous price rejection around this area. Let me zoom in the chart. So you can see there have been strong price rejection around this area. So if market takes support around 513537 area, you can look for a buy position. See, I just gave you the zone. So when market will be coming down, observe the market. If market takes support, then only buy. Then 5100 is still very much present in the market. If market takes support, if you see the market is showing prices action from below, you can look for a buy position. But if you have already joined a free Telegram community or you are part of the WhatsApp group, you must already know that I have mentioned one thing today in the message, that you need to be cautious. Okay, you need to be cautious in the US session, because if a strong profit booking comes, means if market starts dropping, if you see some big red candles, means traders are booking their profit. In that case, these levels may not work. Okay, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure on gold, you should not be surprised, because this is common in the market. Okay, in that case, forget about levels, just follow the trend of the market temporarily. Okay, so if you see that there is a heavy drop on gold, sudden drop on gold, okay, just take a sell position and sit for some time. Okay, because going against the trend of the market, or when there is an intense profit booking, going against the trend can be very, very risky. 5100 may be able to hold selling pressure, but 5135, 5140, okay, this particular support will not be able to hold the market. Okay, and if market breaks 5100, then the next support will be around 5050. Okay, so let's wait and watch. As I always say, my dear friends, or as we all know, that the weekly closing is always important. So let's see where the weekly closing comes. Okay, and gold is full of surprises, isn't it? In case, okay, in case market closes above 5250, oh my god, things will be crazy again. So let's wait and watch. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable Forex trading platform, if you're looking for safety of your capital, then you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets, because Vantage Market doesn't require an introduction. It's a global brand, the perfect solution for trading, because you not only get the best trading environment, you get the best mobile platform for trading, you get the best web version of the platform, but you also get safety of your capital. It's a tier 1 regulated broker. Unlike other brokers, you also get compensation up to 20,000 euros. So if you are worried that Forex is not legal in India, and okay, what will happen to my money if the broker, okay, vanishes, okay, then also you'll get compensation up to 20,000 euros. So feel free to open your account with Vantage Markets. Okay, they are one of the best brokers in the market. You can also check out their reviews as well. Okay, so feel free to open your account. The link will be in the description. If you use our referral, you'll also get access to our WhatsApp community as well. So feel free to check out Vantage, okay, because Vantage is the best solution for you right now if you're looking for a good and safe trading platform. So feel free to check out. The link will be in the description, and be careful. Today is Friday. Do not fry your account.